We are done with part 4 of our basic task. Now let us move on to part 5, that is transformation features. So let us select the XY plane, sketch, draw a rectangle. Exit workbench, pad 30, 20, okay. Now if we want to change the coordination of the solid, we can click on translation tool and select this face for direction and increase the distance. And click on OK. You can see that the solid is moved. Or we can also select the coordinate and give 20, 20, 20. Click on OK. We can see that the solid is translated. Now for symmetry, click on this tool, click on symmetry, and let us select the reference plane as this. We can see that this object has got symmetry down. Click on OK, like this. I can select the YZ plane or the ZX plane, symmetric. And for rotate, we can click on the rotate tool, click on the edge that we want to rotate and enter the degree. So imagine we have 90 degree, the objects get shifted to 90. Again, we can click on rotate, select this line and shift it to 45, click OK. You can see that the object is got deleted. So this is rotate. And mirror is nothing but if we select this face, it'll get mirrored on this side. And again, if we select this face and mirror it, it'll get doubled on top. Or we can mirror this face. We can, using mirror, we can create this. Now imagine we have a small circle or a pocket on this surface. Let us select sketch this surface and draw a circle. Exit workbench. At a depth of 5 mm. Okay. Now we can use mirror. You can use rectangular pattern instead of 4, like that. And we can click on this direction, preview it. You can see that we have got 4 pockets simultaneously. And clicking on the second direction, we can again select 4, preview, click on OK. So this is how we use rectangular pattern to create pockets. Instead of creating each pocket at each coordinate, we can equally create number of pockets at equidistance by using a rectangular pattern. Now for circular pattern, now for again select sketch, draw a small circle, exit, pocket 5, okay. You can select that, click on circular pattern, create 4 reference direction top plane. You can see that we have got 4 pockets. Now we can change this direction. We will get it on top preview. Okay. Or we can also create a crown like that, which comes on the outer circle of thing like this. The space is not sufficient, otherwise we would have got a pocket. Like this. This is how you use a circular pattern definition. We can also alter the circular pattern spacing by giving more crown definition, giving circular spacing as 10, clicking on preview, see that the circles have come a bit closer. 5 will be overlapping like this. So this is how you use circle pattern. And now for user pattern, click on this option, select the, now for user guide, imagine we have sketch and point here, another point here, another point here, here. And these are the points where we want to pocket. We will not be able to pocket it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So what we do is we use user pattern, object being this pocket, and select the position of this point. We can see the pockets are created at the every point that we have made on the surface, and click on OK. So this is the user pattern. And now for exploding a pattern, now we have this pattern here, right click, click on user pattern object and click on explode. We get pocket 2, pocket 3, pocket 4, pocket 5, pocket 6. So you obtain as many features in the specification tree as there were instances. The geometry remains unchanged. So this is exploding pattern. So during our designs, we may decide to perform specific operations in certain number of instances. So if we want to perform an operation here, we want to fillet it, then we can do it separately. Like that. Or else everything will get filleted at the same time. So we use exploding patterns. And now for scaling. If we increase it, it becomes double the ratio. So imagine we select this face and a ratio of 3, and it becomes like that. So scaling geometry means resizing it to the dimension you specify using points, planes or planar surfaces as scaling references. So that is called scaling.